Hi everybody, I'm PDXRabbit. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to install a second coding language on a repl on replit. First, go to repl.it to go to replit. Then click My Repls. Then click Python second language. Here, well, that's the one. Click the repl you want to install the second thing on. And then we need to click Show Hidden Files. So these three dots, and then it would be right there. And we're gonna go to repl.next. There's two ways to do it. I'll show you the easier way first. So, if I want to install Lua, so I'm just gonna type Lua there, and it shows some packages. Let's scroll to lua.out. So that will be the most up-to-date version. And now we're just going to wait for that to load after we exit out of that with Control-C. So this shouldn't take that long. Be pretty quick. Usually. Okay, there we go. So there. Then if we try Lua again, it works. So Lua is installed and we can use it. For example, if I do main.lua, it's already gonna have some code in it because I had a main.lua file earlier and replit just works like that. So I'm gonna do lua main.lua. Hello from Lua. Also, we still have Python installed. Don't worry. Oh, I'm so bad at that one. The other way we could do it is nixos.org. And we could search like Lua, for example, again, and then click that. Then we're gonna click pkgs.lua. We'd copy that. We'd paste it right into here, and we'd like refresh by just pressing enter, like it would do that, you know. And then we could possibly have Lua. If that doesn't work, you might have to run it, maybe refresh the page, try again, press enter on there. So yeah, there's your tutorial. It exists.